Your laptop is slow, and it's probably your fault. How to fix it for free. Your laptop is slow, and you've been blaming the laptop. But here's the truth. Your laptop didn't get slow on its own. You slowed it down. Every app you installed, every startup program you ignored, every setting you never changed. Right now, your laptop is wasting memory, draining your battery, and slowing itself down all before you even open your browser. Meanwhile, you're sitting there wondering why Chrome takes 3 minutes to launch. But today, that ends. I'm Aaron, and over the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to make your Windows laptop feel faster again, using tools that are already built into Windows. No downloads, no paid software, no technical experience required. Just simple changes that actually work. Let's get into it. Section 1. The Startup Killer. Every time you turn on your laptop, before you even touch the keyboard, apps are already loading. Spotify, Discord, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Skype, OneDrive, programs you haven't opened in weeks, are quietly starting in the background. And every single one is using your RAM. This is called startup bloat. And it's one of the biggest reasons laptops feel slow immediately after booting. Here's how to fix it. Control-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Click the Startup Apps tab. You'll see every program that launches when Windows starts. Right-click anything you don't need immediately. Then click Disable. That's it. You just freed up memory your laptop was wasting every single day. Keep your antivirus enabled. If you use cloud backup regularly, keep that too. Everything else, disable it. Restart your laptop, and you'll notice the difference almost immediately. Section 2. Your storage is choking your laptop. Here's something most people never realize. When your storage gets too full, your laptop gets slower. Not a little slower, a lot slower. Windows needs free space to create temporary files, install updates, and manage background tasks. When your C drive is over 80% full, everything starts struggling. Pause. Let's check. Open File Explorer. Click This PC. Look at your C drive. If it's almost full, that's your problem. Here's the quickest fix. Search for Disk Cleanup. Open it. Select your C drive. Let Windows scan. Tick the boxes for temporary files, recycle bin, and old update files. Then click OK and delete files. Pause. I've seen people recover 10, 15, even 20 gigabytes in less than 2 minutes. That's space your laptop has been desperately needing. Give Windows room to breathe, and it'll reward you with better performance. Section 3. The Hidden RAM Thieves. Open Task Manager again. Press Control-Shift-Escape. This time, click Processes. Now sort by memory. Pause. Look at what's sitting at the top. A browser with 50 tabs, 2 gigabytes gone. An app you forgot was open, another gigabyte. Background software you never even use, still eating memory. Right-click anything you don't need. Click End Task. Instantly, more RAM becomes available. Now here's a bonus tip. If you use Google Chrome, open Settings, search for Memory Saver, turn it on. Google automatically puts inactive tabs to sleep. Less memory usage, a faster browser, a faster laptop. Simple. Section 4. The Hidden Performance Mode nobody uses. Build Anticipation. This next setting, almost nobody changes. Yet it's sitting on every Windows laptop, waiting. It's called Power Mode. By default, most laptops are set to Balanced, or even worse, Battery Saver, which means Windows is intentionally limiting your processor's performance to save battery. Think about that. You're trying to run a race while wearing one shoe. Pause. Here's how to fix it. Open Settings, go to System.
Then Power and Battery.
Find Power Mode. Change it to Best Performance. When you're plugged in to power, leave it there. Apps open faster. Windows responds quicker. Everything feels smoother. If you're on battery, switch back to balanced to save power. Easy. Section 5. Stop Windows showing off. Windows loves animations. Menus feed in, windows slide around, everything looks smooth. But all those effects use processing power, especially on older laptops. Windows is busy trying to look pretty, while your RAM is begging for mercy. Here's the fix. Search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Open it. Choose Adjust for Best Performance. Click Apply. Done. Sure, Windows looks a little simpler, but your laptop feels much faster. And honestly, I'd rather have speed than fancy animations. Section 6. The final boss. Sometimes, your laptop isn't slow because it's old. It's slow because something that shouldn't be there is running. Malware, adware, background trackers, software that's sneaked in through fake downloads or suspicious websites. Here's how to check. Search for Windows Security. Open it. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Run a quick scan. Let Windows do the work. If it finds anything, remove it immediately. You'd be surprised how many slow laptops are actually infected laptops. So let's quickly recap. Number 1, disable unnecessary startup apps. Number 2, clean your storage with disk cleanup. Number 3, close RAM-hungry programs in Task Manager. Number 4, switch to Best Performance mode. Number 5, turn off unnecessary visual effects. And number 6, run a malware scan. Pause. None of this costs a single cedi, none of it requires a technician, and you can do all of it in less than 20 minutes. Your laptop was never the real problem. The settings were. If this video helped you bring your laptop back to life, drop a comment below and tell me what changed. I read every single one. And if you want even more hidden Windows tips that most people never discover, watch the next video on your screen. I'm Aaron. This is techytrickshowto. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.